So I'm going to make some really awesome keto protein balls. I have my protein powder, I have no sugar added chocolate chips, powdered monk fruit sweetener, almond flour, natural peanut butter. You can use any kind of peanut butter you'd like, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. So this is going to make some really yummy protein balls, keto friendly, and so good. So first I'm going to use, I have 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. And like I said, I used an all natural peanut butter. It is nice and smooth and creamy. I have 2 tablespoons of my protein powder. I have 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered sweetener. I have a teaspoon of coconut oil that's melted, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I am going to mix all of this together, and then once it's about halfway mixed, I'm going to add in my sugar-free chocolate chips, and then I'll mix it in all the way through. So now that everything is all mixed up, I'm going to roll it in little balls. So I'm just going to roll it with my hands and kind of squeeze it together, make it nice and firm. So I am going to roll the whole bowl of dough, and it's going to make about 12 little protein balls. These are so great for snacks. My whole family loves these, so I try and make them as often as I can, and it's been a while, so I wanted to make this and show you guys this recipe that I use. So once they are all rolled into their balls, I am going to put these in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to get them nice and hardened up and nice and set. And then once they have been in the refrigerator for a little while, I will store these in an airtight container in the fridge for the week. So these are so delicious. They definitely don't last long around my house, and they're really great to have as a nice snack. So I hope that you enjoy this recipe. I will put the recipe in the description box if you want to make these.
Peanut butter video, we made peanut butter balls. Bye.
Benjamin wanted to jump in and say hi in this video. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I hope to see you again next time, and have a great day. Bye-bye.